Looking at the key fob inside of the Subaru BRZ. Similar style fob to a few other Subaru vehicles. You've got the lock button along the top, unlock with the Subaru logo. There's trunk release, horn or panic alarm, and then the back side of the fob, there's also a little release there. And that's for the emergency access key. So if the fob's ever died on you, you're just going to get access to that key. And once you do, all you're going to do is place it inside there, obviously to get inside, so using the mechanical key. And then you can also just push there. So you're actually pushing in order to start the vehicle up. And that's just if the battery fob's died. There is a way to program in an unlock code on the trunk, but it's just a mess. So just use the mechanical key. That's the easiest way to go for sure. Now, there aren't many features on the fob. Like you can't do remote start, unfortunately, and there's no way to roll the windows down, which is something I'd like to see. But some things you can do. You could pop the trunk open from the back here. When the car door is locked, the fuel door is also locked. And then there are some options with different lights that you can do inside the ride too. So, I'll show you that here. And while this is starting up, if you want walkthroughs, so you want to know how to use the steering wheel buttons, the two different types of cruise control, the infotainment system, etc., you'll find walkthroughs down in the description of this video. Now, there are two different ways that you can get to some of these settings. So you can move across inside of the cluster screen here to do it. It just doesn't look as pretty, but you can get to it from here, so through your car settings, etc. But inside of the infotainment, just go to your vehicle settings here, shoot across to your car, and then you've got a few different options here. So auto vehicle shutdown means that the car can run for 30 minutes before it shuts down. With that off, it just keeps on going. Interior lights, when you go to lock the vehicle, how long do the lights stay on for before they toggle off? And then you've also got your welcome lighting. So as you go to approach the vehicle, you unlock the door. How long do the lights stay on for? And then leaving the vehicle. So you go to leave, lock the vehicle. Do the lights just turn off, or do they stay on for up to 90 seconds? And then there are quite a lot of other useful features that are available inside of the infotainment system. So if you want a full walkthrough of the infotainment, like I said, the cluster screen, etc., you'll find a walkthrough down below. But that's how you use the key fob inside of the Subaru BRZ.